digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. Repetition of digits are not allowed, are prime numbers. This is the question. Now before solving the question, let me repeat the key points present in the question. First key point, I require a 9-digit number. Second key point, I am going to use 9 digits from 1 to 9. Third key point, repetition of digits are not allowed. Fourth key point, how many prime numbers exist in this set. Now these 4 key points. Now solution. 9-digit number I require. So keep 9 slashes. These slashes represents a 9-digit number. Leftmost place. These leftmost place, what are the digits I am using? 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. These leftmost place can take 9 different values. That 9 different values are from 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. So leftmost I got 9 ways. Repetition of the digits not allowed. So leftmost already 1 digit is placed. Second leftmost, how many digits I can place? 8 digits I can place. Third leftmost, already 2 digits are already placed. How many I can place? 7. So total number of 9-digit numbers that can be formed without any repetition in this case will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 9 factorial. So I got total 9 factorial numbers without repetition of any digits. Now in these 9 factorial numbers, I need to check how many prime numbers exist. Most of the students find this question to be very difficult question. No, it is actually very easy. Out of that 9 factorial numbers, can I say one number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope it is clear. One number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I will use the divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. What is the sum of the first n natural numbers? N into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is nothing but 9. So sum of the first 9 natural numbers will be summation 9, which is 9 into 10 by 2, 45. What is the sum of the digits? 45. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, that means the number is divisible by 3. That means this number, sum of the digits is 45. That means it is divisible by 3. That means it is not a prime number. Now listen carefully. Even if I change the position of the digits, if I change the position of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I reverse it 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the sum of the digits? Still it is 45. That means still it is divisible by 3. That means even if I alter the position of the digits, sum will not change. That means all 9 factorial numbers, sum of the digits will be 45. That means all 9 factorial numbers are divisible by 3. If all 9 factorial numbers are divisible by 3, then the numbers will become a multiple of 3. If it becomes a multiple of 3, it becomes a composite number. So answer for this question is 0. There are 9 factorial numbers. All 9 factorial numbers are composite numbers. I hope you enjoyed solving this question by understanding the key points present in the question. Keep watching ANC YouTube channel to solve aptitude problems faster than a calculator or without using a pen. Good luck.